Here's how to change the lock screen password on your Samsung phone. Now, if you go to lock and then unlock your Samsung phone and you want to change that PIN or password, maybe because somebody else knows it, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's first just swipe up and tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. And then scroll down and you're looking for lock screen and AOD. And then tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. You'll need to enter in your current password, so let me just do that real quick. And now I can choose to set a new PIN or password, pattern, or swipe. Let's choose password in this case, and you can see it has to be at least 4 characters, including a number. Just enter it in, hit continue, and you'll have a new password. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback in the comments below. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful for you, or are you still having issues with your Android phone? Thanks, guys.